Good day everyone, I am Mark Bernard Abesha and I'm going to present to you the SQL command with the CRUD. CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. SQL is a server for managing and manipulating data inserted from the database. First one will be the create. In creating a table inside the database, you are going to insert data. You are going to insert records from that data or table rather. Create table syntax is used for creating tables consist of rows and columns, and dbo.demo is the example data name, table name, with the column ID and name. From that column only, for the column ID, only int data types are accepted for that column. And the next one is the name with the data type of varchar with the limit of 100. Only the numerical and text are accepted for the varchar with the limit of 100. And the next one is insert into. Insert into syntax or command is a command used for inserting rows from the table you've been created. Insert into table name, dbo.demo is my table here. I will going to insert that here, and the columns you are going to insert and with their values. That is for the create. To be simple, create is used for inserting or inputting data from the database. Also creating tables. Next one will be the read. Read is also only a retrieval syntax or operation for the SQL. It uses select command, select star from, for my example. Here you are going to print all of the data inside that table, but you can manipulate selecting or printing of data by adding some commands to here. For example, select the column you are going to print from the table name, where is the condition which data you are going to present, and that is for the read. Next one will be the update. Update is changing to an existing records of the table. For the example, update table name, the table or database you are going to change. This is where you are going to set the value of the selected column or selected row of data you are been changing. Then the expression on which of the data you are going to change. And for the update, you can also put you can change many values at once. That is for the update. And for the last one is the delete. In deleting, it is used for removing data from the database. Delete from syntax is the command you are going to use to delete from the table you chosen. where is the expression the condition or expression which data you are going to delete. Also in SQL command, you can also delete tables by dropping it. Drop table name. That is the way on deleting database. And for the next one, I am going to present to you an example of how to use this CRUD. Here, as you can see in my codes, I create a table with the name of sample with the values of ID and Y in integer data type. I inserted 6 rows with the value of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This is the create. While the read, as you can see here, the select star from sample update, I am going to print all of the data I inputted here. Then the update sample, this is the table name, setting the Y to 20, and the ID I've been using is 1. So as I expected, that this data, the number 5 will be changed to 20, and I'm going to print it again so that I can see if it changed or not. Then the deleting, I'm going to delete the ID with the ID of 2. So I expect that this data will be deleted. Then I am going to print it again so that I can see if this command is been accepted by the SQL. By the way, I am using online SQL editor or compiler, SQL IDE, for my example. Then I am going to execute it here. For the example number 1, for the creation, I create sample table with 6 rows. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the create. This is the data I inputted. Then I select it. As you can see, this is it been print. Then next one will be update, set Y to 20 with the ID of 1 rather. So I've been changed it. As you can see there, the data or the value of the 5 is been changed to 20, and I print it again. So we can see here that I've been print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the value of the one with the value of 20. Next one is the delete. The delete with the I've been deleted with the ID of 2. Here, as you can see, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, because I've been deleted the number 2. So it starts with 1 and next will be 3 because I've been deleted the number 2. That is SQL CRUD. The simple way for understanding the CRUD. Creating is for inserting, inputting, and adding table from the database, while the read is the retrieving of data from the table, and the update is the changing of the existing data from the database, and the delete is the removing of data from it. That's all. I'm Mark Bernard Abesha. Thank you.